Many artists in Youngstown say they have had dreams to share their art with the community, but just never have had a place to do so. Now those dreams have come true with 3 art groups.
We have a history of people making a living with using their hands, and so I thought it was a great way of kind of reviving interest in the handmade craft.
Dr. Zona, the executive director at the Butler Art Institute, says having art in a city is a key part to life. And if the arts are healthy, then people will be a part of the city.
It adds to the quality of our lives. It's a very, very important diversion. And we human beings need diversions, and we need diversions that deal with things like beauty.
With 2 major cities and about an hour's distance from Youngstown, what makes these vendors stay here in the Valley?
Youngstown is our home, so we want to see our home thrive, our home grow. We want to show love for our home.
It was exciting to come back to my hometown, and I love the atmosphere here.
It's so close to home is the main reason. Our company's right down the road, so it's a no-brainer.
A no-brainer to help their city thrive and watch Youngstown do well while benefiting so many businesses.
The arts always seem to lead a revitalization. They make a city cool, or whatever you want to call it, and then it brings people.
The artists say the amount of people at every event stays steady and is even increasing. These artists see this community starting to appreciate art.
I just like seeing all the local vendors and seeing people that I follow on Instagram, like in real life.
It's fantastic to see the level of creativity that's here in Youngstown, and great to see them being able to showcase it right here downtown.
Many of these artists sell their art as a side hobby from their full-time jobs, but so many want to continue to grow their business in hopes to sell their art completely full-time. The entire concept of these groups is all about where these artists are heading.
This isn't about what we were. This isn't what we're, what we are now. This is about what we're becoming.
Because of all these artists, these 3 groups continue to bring beauty to the Valley. With more local news, I'm Candace Monticelli.